Well, welcome back to Ned's case. Now we're in the mouth and we're getting ready to place the Teflon tape, and that's going to go in tooth number 28 as we discussed earlier. I need a slide ejector, please, on the left side. Okay, and we're looking again. Now it's live. We're in the mouth. We're looking right down at the screw down below, and we are tightened to 35 Newton centimeters. We're also etched, and so we're going to go ahead and place now the Teflon, and we're going to use a condenser, amalgam condenser, and okay, and we'll just condense that. Let me have a loose one without it shaped like that, just nice and loose for me. I just leave that open, just make sure I don't overfill. This is actually pretty good, Jen. I'll just use this, and we'll shove that down inside like so, and you can see how nice and tuckable that material is. And Ned agrees too. He likes that. He wants to make sure it's perfect. Okay, now we're in. We've already checked our contacts, and you notice the soft tissue is barely blanching now. Before it was a little on the white side. Now it's adapting well. Contacts are good. We will paint now the silane. Now most of you can silane before you go in the mouth. We happen to etch and silane in the mouth. And we'll lower the light as we're going to add a bonding agent. I like to use DE resin, or excuse me, Parabon. Yeah, thank you. Parabon. I'll use that cotton roll now. From the Parapost people, well done. And that's the name of the company. And that goes in, I believe that's a 30-second interval. So that's going to stay on there. There we go. And in this case, what we're going to do is we're going to combine the white core paste material, and then on top of that, right up before I reach the surface of the crown, I'm going to add a tooth color or a dentin color. How you doing, Ned? All right? Ned's good? Yep. All right. So 30 seconds are done. I'm going to go ahead and lightly dry that lightly. There we go. Get rid of some of that moisture. Alright, now we're good to go. We're going to go ahead and add, this is the Paracore White. Let's put that in the bottom and just start squeezing out. Notice I'm just keeping the tip all the way down, just until we reach the metal portion. And that blocks it out nicely. Now I'm going to inject the dentin shade. See if I can blow this up for you guys to see. Yep. Okay. And we'll squeeze that out. There we go. Now, they don't make a darker shade, so it's just still a little bit lighter than his own tooth, but that's okay. And we're going to let that set on its own. I can even light cure that now to tack it in. We're going to wait 4 minutes. Here we go. And off we go. The same material we use when we place our fiber posts underneath crowns, aesthetic crowns, etc. Very flowable, very, very strong material. And we're very happy with it. Now, Ned's going to let that set. This is Dr. GERARD CUOMO. We'll be back with Ned's upper on the next segment. Hope you're still watching, and take care. See you then.